This 2024 Airstream Interstate 24 GL Grand Lounge E1 Tommy Bahama is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features a desert tunnel, Macchiato interior, sleeps 3, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, DVD player, awning, TV, water heater, air conditioning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Airstream Interstate 24 GL Grand Lounge E1 Tommy Bahama is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.